Me, Bishop Rock, my respected Nana Addo Dee Nyame.
Abuja from Mamu Nyina Makwaba at the Bagana and Sem TV so. But I'm this be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this nature about also sabit my cabin. So watch your comment section. Maybe whom you from Mr. President and Major also TikTok or comment section or by be about whom you from Mr. President and Major also. For you need dream say that should be ano. The between the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for you na what to. I'm more ready. The need to sit down and say man we need that to be na. The be a mekasem be say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be kire pa. The moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say adi we time nkofo bebree if you say a public office no mo hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, mommy enko. Yenko video bi mra. Na video no yekɔ heba we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President and here. Mommy enko mra sisi.
Mameka no krebi. Me, Bishop Rock, my respected Nana Addo Dee Nyame. Adentra. Live we program where I may menka bofobia wum. E me kasa che Ghana fo. Mama yendwini ye nkofo ho first. E jan abrofo. One poster that's from. Say all this while na ya no the pressure is no na do na buy so say you release your street boys no. No mo face try our baby. And I do say me mom konne mo nkochina. More apologize to us. Command speech be Y0U. So speech kona President Mama command be am the politics. Na go for represent na do dika ma speech ni bi o. Na me show me ni na say omo ka kira abofo no say boni omo di e be before no. Also omo pay e chew no mo compensate ye. Na do ko say President Mama be to so beautiful. That is good. Na me show me ni na man. The mom no say ka follow up no to aso. Action no unu ase da bi. Me fa me confirm remo. Abe kura wo de osa momo yama yaman. Omo nya nipa nchen. Crime e do kire. Crime be na chen say ba be hwia ye gold akọ na omo da kire omo kuro. And akọ Bank of England na gold reserve e ta ho. Omo pound no tren confirm da no. England gold bi o. Winnim mi ami asem. Winnim Israel focus some Muslim for no. Amu used to like slaves. So amu used to yanko for like slaves. No. Amu tiaka no compensation. Yanko boss Moses me show jansa bi. Cause kame Egypt for no. Ko kona ko buom. Ko ka ti amu say Awurade say yanko esreso na yanko sum no 3 days. Na yakoso ye yanko pon na ye gold. E be share chains, e be share anklet, e be share den rings. Timudi no fa maye boro 3 days beba. They knew they will never come back. Or Bible fraud by legitimate because a recompensation of the evil and atrocities meted out at innocent people. A prayer was hiding and this year by President Mahama. All the street boys were for your coming back. Because they thought Ronaldo was a bad person. Sell on the name of Musavia. No meaning. On the BBC, they have a tour, say US Attorney General, no kind. And that's all. Masa, we enjoy and call for him first. We enjoy and call for and Jim Brody won't say why I call for. They are two about it on theatre, Bruni be about to abadi biawa. America new on Pewasem, UK new on Pewasem. Dear one or pay. Your lithium, your gold, your oil, any diamonds, any here, any your manpower, human energy. We a doctor pet, you say, yeah, Bebra. You say, American lottery, the skills in a filling form, and only skills, because they need you to use you. They don't want to help you. So why are we helping them? Why are we helping them? It's the biggest error of the century. And they say, yeah, that's it way. And they say, yeah, that's it way. We say, baby, YOU also on the air, you money now. Oh, how, Master, you are killing your own government. We need to catch on there. You are destroying your own government. Now, when you say, boys now street, so me na street papa. Or deep 4 penny street papa. I'm telling you. When you boys no more street, no more fumo. Kamasa say child, I'm more yeah, street, no ever tia boys. Master. I'm going to talk to tracks now. I'm the man driver for up and down. I did not reduce your unemployment in the country. Oh, Brony ni papa. Brony ni papa. Brony ni papa. When you study your honor, Nanado, big ups, my teacher Mao. Addo Dee, be a great guy. What? Filiu and Kasolumai. Live long and live in strength with your family. Peace. FM Bishop Rock. Wow, I won't tell you as you go to hell.
Obeti atechem wo suro se obekoti bia manfo wo na ye tua uka taxpayers money e na ye di tua uka Ghana for one ma yensen si form papa one ma Ghana for esi form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame Ghana for na enya adaje ko sell lie eto abasama o because wo betena so for good 12 years. Wo be ye vice president e ma wu jade atamos ewu ye. Yedisa show some ubu ye, we are also one president da. Emma ye vote ma uma obedi 4 years, aye 8 years. Wo say I wait 4 years, chinchina ye fam ye sama umra sasia, wo be 12 good years. Wo to me nye hwe. Wo promises en kokon ketenkete omo adwane en confirm a wo di ba ya omo kọ Burkina. Koko fu a wo promise wo mo se wo betu ebula ama koko farmers bia wo baye wo beti koko no so ewum wo nsan so ntua ka wo firi omo koko wo di omo ka wo baye wo si agenda 111 ye hu hwe afi na wo si market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wo ye nti ase wo be sori e na wo si market ne bathroom wo he Efri Kwame Nkrumah time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada o ewo mu edi dada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent President Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyinani efri wo so nyame nsan ni wo so. Won kwa wo ba power. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mo party o. Mun kwa mo party. Me say balok di we chi no. Ghana for ansha. This 2 years aka ahuhie hia wo balok di Ghana for be komo no. Esum bi mbada. Esu bi mbada o.
Bibia I say, wo share your sports are say, share Black Stars. I feel Black Stars almost me share goal biom.
Wa ni incompetence na ewo nu mu no. Wo di be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo testa so na for ni na ekire no. Such an incompetency. Aye, yeah, the World Cup na be fie. Brasters ya she goes say woto. E bin see that.
What be man ko foforo? Won farm assembly. Won farm sanitation bio. Anya wa. Sa sanitation for this sika. Ya kwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nya hwe. Na wo ba obeji efi sanitation for. Na wo je ye no. Anya wa. Sako hwe sako shi ta. Nso tonshina baby shi. Hey! Who ya deal? Nkwa ho ba eja hihie. Hey Mr. Pad. Unya ba perfect intro. Esa wo pad. Saka wide. Who is a pad na be ye bibia mo. It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Ojene da no. Si mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, ye no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we na me ye ma mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow on my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow on my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party. KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yentime because of time. But those ones yetimi we go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi we say oh, I mean say we say people for akonfo. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals, ma mo so mo ya akonfo. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo. You say anya Ghana for dey. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem se bi me na me ko ka che Abr0ad drama ni ma so o mema was come to boot one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo ko mo ya. E dey Abr0ad drama ni mama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo dey oh na mo dey onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne be to ba na ma boom mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi
Say dey ko ye kra dey menu now to me hu letter bi a yokofo chro ye eba council of state member voter region na me say fiam Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.